Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my face routine. I use the Simple range. I've been using it for 4 months or maybe more. So this is the first step. It's the Kind of Skin Moisturizing Facial Wash, and then you follow it by the Soothing Facial Toner, and then after that you put the Hydrating Light Moisturizer on. Now, excuse the hair, I just got out the shower and I just chucked this headband on and I'm going to show you how I wash my face. I have noticed that it's definitely helped my skin clear up. I mean, I have a few pimples, but that is also hormonal and just a bit of stress and stuff. But it has like really cleaned my skin up over the last couple of months. I've noticed a big difference when I look back in photos of my natural skin, so that is awesome. And I feel like it doesn't sting, it's not like painful when you put it on, which is awesome because I have had other skin creams that are really painful when I just like apply it and like 5 seconds later it's burning and I need to take it off. So I'm just going to wet my face a little bit and apply this. Normally I do this in the shower, but I thought I don't know what to do for a video this week, so I thought I would do this one. I don't take that very much, I take about that amount and I just run it through my hands and I just apply. And it turns this like white colour. It's not as watery as I would like it. I don't put too much on, I just let it soak in. Kind of hardly tell I even have it on, but I do. Skin is already just like refreshed and so clean. I just apply the toner to the cotton pad. Just kind of soak the whole thing and I just apply it to my whole face. I don't do it, you know, every single spot, I just kind of tap it. Then once I've finished using the toner, the second step, I go in with the Hydrating Light Moisturizer and I just get a cotton bud, just put it around my nose, even though it is oily, in like my T-zone, and I'm more dry like around here, so I'm combination skin if you're wondering. I get oily around here, dry around here, and sort of there, and around here and here are kind of dry. So I just put some on my nose, put a little bit, between my eyebrows, a little bit on my chin, and then I normally get the other clean cotton pad and just apply it like this. And that is about it. The thing that I do love about the Simple range, by the way, not sponsored, I just love the products. I was trying to find a good facial wash that would not burn my skin like other brands have, and I just found this and everyone raved about it, so I was like, I'll give it a try. I'll test it for a couple of months and I love it. I normally say every second day that I use this. Sometimes I forget, obviously, and sometimes I just use a face mask or something like that. So, but it's mainly these products, and I just love them. I feel like it's really helped my skin clear up. It makes me look refreshed in the morning when I also put this on, and so I love it. I love it, love it. What I like about this product is that it says it's for sensitive skin, which I don't have like super sensitive skin, but the other product felt like it was burning my face off. So I think this is a really good option for a lot of different skin types and skin sensitivities and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you got a glimpse of my skincare routine, I guess, and definitely go out and get these products. That's it for my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.